To change the taskbar color, simply right click here. Hello everyone, how are you today? In this tutorial video I want to show you how you can change the taskbar color in Windows 10. Simply go down, right click in the taskbar, select taskbar settings as you can see. Okay, here in the left pane select colors, then here choose your color, set to custom. Okay, then in the section choose your default Windows mode, set to dark, and choose your default application mode, let light. You can set dark if you prefer this color. I preferred to be light. Okay, that's it. It's so easy. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share.